Maxwell speed distribution.
Yes,
In
Adnan.
any gas molecule randomly collide against each other, so the velocity of the molecule changes continuously. At any instant, the speeds of the molecule vary a wide range. Then Vrms is equal to square root of V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square. Okay. Then capital N. Okay, is equal to value root RT by capital M molecular mass. Then we know most probable speed is equal to square root of capital M. Then we know R is equal to kb into Na. R by R is equal to kb into Na. R by Na is equal to kb. R by Na is equal to kb. Boltzmann constant. Then small m into capital N is equal to, we know small n into capital N is equal to molecular mass. Then we know from we calculate this root 2, put the value of R kb into Na into T divided by m into Na, and Na will be cancelled. Okay, root 2 kbt divided by small m is equal to value 1.41. Okay, put over RT by m. Then V average is equal to square root of 8 RT by pi m. Okay, then 8 into kb into Na into T divided by m into pi into m into Na. Then Na will be cancelled. Then root over of 8 kbt divided by pi m, that is 1.6 root over of RT by m. Then V RMS is equal to square root of root 3 RT by capital M. Then we solve this root 3 kb into Na into T divided by small m into capital Na. Then Na will be cancelled. Then root 3 kbt divided by m. Then 1.76 square root of RT by m. Then we know square root mean square velocity is greater than average velocity is greater than mean velocity. That is most probable velocity. Then Vrms is greater than V average is greater than V most probable. Then Vmp is equal to 0.9 0.8. Okay, 0.8 approximately 0.9 Vrms. Okay, then V average is equal to 0.92 Vrms. Okay, then we discuss about this. This is VMP. VMP have occupy more it is particle. Okay, so all the molecule, okay, from heating the gas, all the molecule of a gas do not possessed possessed do not possessed same speeds. Okay, do not possess the velocity of the molecules, the velocities of the molecule range from 0 to infinity. Only small number of only small molecule only small number of molecule very low and very high speeds. Then third point, there is a particular case that is most probable speed. Okay, there is a particular case most probable speed is possessed by more number of more number or maximum number of molecules. Last point, point 4, VMP, V average and VRMS, most probable speed, average speed and RMS of the molecule are all of different from each other, This is about the graph, okay, and this is the derivations, okay. Thank you.